10 things to say when shopping in Yorùbá. I want to buy fish. Mo fẹ́ ra ẹja. You can as well replace the word ẹja, which is fish, with any other noun that refers to what you want to buy. Like mo fẹ́ ra bàtà, mo fẹ́ ra búrẹ́dì, and the likes. Number 2. Do you have bread? Ṣé ẹ ní búrẹ́dì? Ṣé ẹ ní búrẹ́dì? You can as well replace the noun búrẹ́dì, which is bread, with any other noun you're trying to refer to. Ṣé ẹ ní bàtà? Ṣé ẹ ní aṣọ? And the likes. Number 3. How much is it? Èló ni? Èló ni? If you want to mention what you're referring to, you can add it by saying èló ni bàtà? Èló ni aṣọ? Èló ni búrẹ́dì? And the likes. Number 4. It's expensive oh. You say that as ó wọ́n o. Ó wọ́n o. Number 5. Give me rice. Fún mi ní ìrẹsì. Fún mi ní ìrẹsì. Now, whatever you want to ask for, you can replace with the noun ìrẹsì, which is rice. So you can say fún mi ní bàtà. Fún mi ní aṣọ. Fún mi ní búrẹ́dì. And whatever you want to ask for. Number 6. Please give me 2. Please give me 2. That is jọ̀ọ́ fún mi ní méjì. Jọ̀ọ́ fún mi ní méjì. Now you want to mention what you're asking for and then the number. You can say jọ̀ọ́ fún mi ní aṣọ méjì. Jọ̀ọ́ fún mi ní búrẹ́dì méjì. Jọ̀ọ́ fún mi ní bàtà méjì. Number 7. How many? How many? That's mélòó. Mélòó. Number 8. I want that. You say that as mo fẹ́ ìyẹn. Mo fẹ́ ìyẹn. And then you want to say I want this. You say mo fẹ́ èyí. Mo fẹ́ èyí. Number 10 says how much is the last price? If you are going to a Nigerian market, you are likely going to ask for the last price of everything that is to be sold to you. If it's not in a supermarket where you have the prices on it already. Because if you don't ask for the last price and you don't price the market, they are going to take a lot of money from you. So it's a good thing to say èló ni jálẹ̀. That's how much is the last price. Èló ni jálẹ̀. Èló ni jálẹ̀. This is not written in text on the slide, but let me just add it. When you want to say something like I will pay 2,000, you say mo máa san. Pay is san. Mo máa san ẹgbẹ̀rún méjì. Mo máa san ẹgbẹ̀rún méjì. Alright, kindly put the sentence you would like to say for shopping in the comments, and then I'm going to tell you how to say it right in Yoruba.